What's up everyone, welcome back to the RA Visuals YouTube channel, and man have I got a fun video for you guys and for me today. So you guys know I like building computers. It's been on this channel for quite a while. I built a lot of those things. And you know, I never turn down a challenge, especially when it comes to building computers as well. So recently, a friend of mine actually told me that his older brother ended up seeing one of my videos, believe it or not. So word of mouth, something like that. He ended up seeing one of my videos and started watching my videos on how to build a PC and stuff like that because he started to get interested in the world of PC building, or the PC master race as we call it. So good for him for that anyway. But yeah, so it was kind of funny. He said he found my videos and then his brother was like, hey, I know that guy. Do you want me to put you in touch with him and see if he'll build that for you? Because apparently his brother just wants the PC because he wants to play Warzone. He's not really interested in building the thing. So of course me, I'm like, yeah, I can make a video out of it for you guys, and I'll have some fun building it. And the fun part about this, you guys, that I was talking about in the beginning here, is I have not seen a single component that his brother bought. It's going to be brought to me, and I am not going to see anything that he bought. He basically said, yep, I bought all the parts already. I had some patience because of the whole COVID thing. I pieced it all together. I already bought them. And he told me that he used my videos to help him pick which parts he did. So hopefully it works out, or this is going to be really awkward. But anyway, so what we're going to do is we are going to first take a look at the parts that he ended up getting. And for the love of God, I hope they all work. So let's go check out what he gave us.
Get rid of that Windows 10 watermark and start saving with URCD Key. URCD Key offers deep discounts on games and software with my own special promo code. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item you want, click buy to add it to your cart, and then once you're in your cart, you can go ahead and enter my promo code RAV20 for 20% off of your purchase. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. Finding and entering your Windows 10 CD key is super easy. All you have to do is go to your user profile, find your purchase, and click View Keys and Codes to reveal your new CD key. Then all you have to do is go to Settings in Windows, click on Update and Security, click on Activation, and finally click on Change Product Key and enter your new key into the window and click Next. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with 0 watermarks. Check the links in the video description to start saving now.
Ooh, I'm seeing some really good stuff in there, you guys. Okay, so I have not seen a single part in there. I just set it on the floor next to me. It's this gigantic tub. I'll probably play a B-roll shot of it right here. He brought me all the parts in this big tub of stuff. The only thing I've seen so far is the case. So we'll start with that because that was outside of this big tub of stuff. All right, so the case right here is the Corsair 275R Airflow. So really nice case, super all blacked out, very cool looking front right there. And of course, like the name suggests, it's built for airflow. So good choice on him for that one. And I'm excited to work on this thing. I've never built a PC in this before. So that's cool. So let's move on to the next component that I can pull out of the mystery box over here. Again, guys, I have not seen a single one of these components. So hopefully they work. Let's just start pulling stuff out. So, okay, let's start with the processor. Here we go. Mystery box of stuff. What is this? Ryzen 5000. What? So we got ourselves an AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, you guys. That's pretty cool. I have not worked with the new Ryzen processors yet, so this will actually be my first 5000 series build because of my friend. So there we go. Very awesome. There's the processor. So what do we have for what's next? Oh, the graphics card. These are probably the most important thing. So we got an RTX 2060. There you go. I wonder what he paid for this. I didn't ask him. But God knows it had to be expensive, unfortunately. But he was actually able to find himself a real RTX 2060, so that's cool. This pairing right here would be this CPU is plenty for this graphics card, so he did just fine there. He can always upgrade this later once he can find a better one if he needs it. But apparently for his needs, just playing Warzone, this should be fine. So let's go ahead and go on the motherboard. Let's see what he got for a motherboard. Okay, also another really nice choice here. He got himself a Asus ROG Strix B450F Gaming 2. Nice. So I've already used some of these ROG boards before, and they're really awesome. I owned one myself. I think I own the B350 version of this. But yeah, this is a very nice board. The only thing I'm worried about is if we are ready for, let's see, it says 3rd gen AMD Ryzen desktop ready, but I don't know if it's ready for the 5000 series. Bruh. All right, so what do we got for, oh, we got a CPU cooler. Okay, he bought a really nice CPU cooler. He got the Corsair iQ H100i Elite Capellix. There you go, there's that guy right there. So this thing is super nice. That's gonna fit nicely in our case over there. I can either probably top mount it or even front mount it, depending on how I wanna do that. But yeah, this thing's gonna look really good. So he'll have a little bit of RG bling going on. RGB bling, sorry. Well, actually that sounds, RG bling sounds better. You guys keep that one. That sounded kind of funny actually. So 240 red, and yeah, I know these are actually really good. I have one of the Corsair AIOs. It was in my PC before anyway, so very good stuff. Anyway, put that back there. What else has he got in here? What power supply did he get? We got an Aries Game 750 watt 80 plus bronze. So I think he told me he got this from Best Buy. So this is what they had at the time, and it was available. So let me see on the 12 volt rail. Okay, it looks like it's okay. So combined. So really it says 750, but I believe the output on the back it says 672. A lot of manufacturers do this. So there's this thing right here. I actually think this company contacted me not too long ago, wanted me to review one of these. But anyway, doesn't matter. 750 watt power supply, so that's good. All right, what do we got next? Let's go for the memory. What memory do we get? Oh, we got some more of that Alloy Al series memory. So he actually got 32 gigs of 3600 megahertz. So he listened to my guide. He made sure he got the fast RAM because of the Ryzen CPU. So again, maybe I said something that helped him out. That's kind of cool. So, and he got 32 gigs of RAM. So I mean, if he wants to ever edit videos and stuff like that, he's good to go. I'm pretty sure he would have been fine with 16 gigs, but hey, 32, not gonna complain. He's gonna have plenty forever, so that's good. Let's see what else is in here. Storage, that's right. Oh, we got some thermal paste right here just in case we wanna reapply the thermal paste on our AIO. But storage, we got a single 1 terabyte 970 Evo Plus NVMe M.2 SSD. So that's also a very good component right there. He picked some very nice components here. This is gonna be a really nice little build, you guys. This is gonna be awesome. So he went with this single drive. I think he said he's gonna add more, which I'll help him with, of course. It'll be fine. So that's fine. And then what else is in this big tin here? It looks like he went and got himself some peripherals right here. So this is not my recommendation, but he must have found this at Best Buy too. This is a Sadiz Battle RAM combo set. So this is a keyboard, mouse, and a mouse pad. So that's kind of cool. He got that too. So you guys, a full setup of everything here. He's got his monitor, he's got his setup and everything else back at home. But this is everything he bought and just basically brought to my house and said, hey man, can you put this together for me because I'm not confident in doing it? And I was like, you know what? Yes, I can. So that way you guys in the Visuals fan get to come along with me. So let's build this dang thing.
Next time on the Mystery PC Build, I install a CPU that doesn't work. I install a couple of RAM sticks that don't work, and then I teach you how to update your BIOS to make these components work. Make sure you like and subscribe because you won't want to miss it.